How to quickly change channels on YouTube TV. Method 1. Use the live guide, All Devices. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. Select the Live tab from the top menu. Scroll through the channel guide to browse available options. Click on the desired channel to start watching. Method 2. Use the remote control, smart TV and streaming devices. While watching a live TV channel, press the down arrow or up arrow on your remote to bring up the channel list overlay. Use the arrow buttons to navigate to the channel you want. Press OK or Enter to switch to the selected channel instantly. Method 3. Use the back button, Last Watched Channel. While watching a channel, press the back button on your remote. This will return you to the previous channel you were watching. Method 4. Use the search feature, mobile/web. Tap the search icon, magnifying glass, at the top of the screen. Type the name of the channel you want to watch. Select the channel from the search results to start viewing. Method 5. Use the Home tab, Recently Watched. Open the Home tab from the main menu. Scroll down to the Recently Watched section. Click on any recently viewed channel to resume watching. Pro tip: keyboard shortcuts, web use arrow keys for navigation or type directly into the search bar for fast access. Personalized suggestions: customize your channel lineup in the live guide for quicker access to your favorites.